The most important thing that we can think of when we think about the mask is that we're wearing it correctly and that it fits correctly. The KN95s that you've received, they will come folded and flat. So the first thing you always want to do is make sure before you even get started that you've thoroughly washed your hands with soap and water. You want to take a look at the mask and inspect it to make sure that there are no areas of damage. You want to make sure that it is clean. You want to then make sure that you're handling the mask mainly from the outside. You want to put it over the bridge of your nose and the cup of your chin, holding the outside, and then you want to take each strap and loop it around your ears. These masks also have a metal nose bridge, so you want to take both hands and push it down to ensure that it is fit snug across the bridge of your nose, both sides. So once you have the mask on, you want to make sure that you are doing a self-check to ensure that it is not leaking, that it is fitting appropriately and you have the proper seal. So when you take off the mask, you want to be careful to not touch the exterior of the mask because that is the area that's going to be the most contaminated. So you will take the mask off by removing each ear loop using both hands, and then you will just pull it together slightly here and then put it, if you're going to reuse it again, put it in your brown paper sack to store away in a safe, secure place, or you would dispose of that into the trash receptacle.